account. Pukin na baliw. I need to change my personality. Wait.
You handcuff him.
Shut the fuck up, you bitch!
Okay,
Shut the fuck up, Jan. Give me attorney. Okay, you gonna give me attorney, ha? I'm gonna wait for it, ha?
Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yo, fuck you all. Give me more. I don't wanna get jail. I don't wanna get jail. Help me. Help. Help me. Wag. Wag, gago, wag. Mag-out ako. Wag mo pakawalay. Ang tanga. Uy, wag mo pa. Pasok ka dyan. Yo, help me. Oh my God, nahulog ako. Nahulog ako. What? Wala, bilis na. Log-out na ako. Ang tanga. Bilis. 16 kaso ko. Ay, jail ka na okay. Ay, kupal. Ay, out na ako. Yo. What the fuck up? You. Yo, I need my attorney. Where's my attorney? I think this is my attorney. SGT Abdul. Attorney.
what happened, sir?
Sir. He capped me by accident. I don't know why. I'm
Oh,
just
why you
walking
dropping,
outside.
sir?
No, I'm not wanted. You don't have warrant of me.
You pick up warrant, you give him his warrant of arrest.
No, he haven't do it. He's unbudged.
Oh, you're unbudged. He's not unbudged, sir. He's budged. See that gold?
But he don't know why he don't give me attorney. Where's my attorney?
I will call for your attorney later.
Oh, that's my attorney. Help Cashman, my attorney. Yes. Open the door. Oh, there. My attorney. Help my
Hey,
attorney.
you cannot go outside.
No, that's my attorney. He's my attorney. Yes, I have attorney.
Why, I'm the judge here. I'm the judge.
Oh, let's go outside.
cannot
Let's
hear
go to the
you.
trial court.
I cannot hear you, sir.
Yes, let's do trial. Let's do
Ma'am,
trial.
you want your attorney?
This is my attorney, Cashman. Yes, I have attorney. You said.
Sir,
Yes, he give me. Yes, that's my attorney. Yes, this is my attorney. What the fuck are you doing?
hey,
Where's the trial? Where's the justice in here? This
2.6, it will be so, state employee.
No,
Yeah,
why? He's Why you
One-
leave now? He's my attorney. You said you're gonna give me attorney. What the fuck? Yes,
Maybe
do trial first.
maybe in the next update you have your attorney. But now
What the fuck?
you
What's
don't have
update?
an attorney.
This is my attorney. What the hell you doing?